Airbnb is a privately held company, which means its shares are not publicly traded on a stock exchange. Therefore, individual investors cannot directly purchase shares of Airbnb through the stock market. However, there are alternative ways to invest in Airbnb indirectly. Venture capital funds. Accredited investors may have the opportunity to invest in Airbnb through venture capital funds or private equity firms that specialize in startups and private companies. Secondary markets. Some secondary markets or private stock trading platforms allow investors to buy shares of privately held companies from existing shareholders. However, participation in these platforms often requires accreditation or meeting specific eligibility criteria. IPOs or direct listings. In the future, Airbnb may choose to go public through an initial public offering or a direct listing on a stock exchange. Once Airbnb becomes a publicly traded company, investors can buy its shares through brokerage accounts like they would with any other publicly traded stock.